Search alerts save valuable research time and can be set up to provide automatic email notification whenever new results related to topics of interest become available in EBSCO's user interfaces, such as EBSCO Host and EBSCO Discovery Service. Setting up a search alert from the result list is simple and can be done quickly. After performing your search, click on the menu link at the top of the result list and select Create Alert. If you are not already signed in to your personal MyEBSCO account, you are prompted to do so. Click the Sign In button to sign in with your credentials or create a new account. Complete the alert setup form by setting the alert name, an optional description, and selecting from the frequency drop-down list. Enter the email address to which you want your future search results sent. You can add more email addresses in the Additional Recipients field. Additional recipients can unsubscribe themselves from the search alert using the unsubscribe link found in the alert email they receive. When you are done entering your information, click Create Alert. Your newly created search alert is confirmed. Click Close to return to the result list. Click the MyEBSCO account link in the upper right and then click Alerts to access the dashboard. Select the Search Alerts tab to view and manage your search alerts in the dashboard. Click the menu icon to edit your alert, run the alert to view the current available results for your search, or delete it. Click RSS Feed to copy a syndication link into your RSS newsreader. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.